Boo. Y'all, listen, I literally just killed it on the skeleton, which, by the way, I was super nervous. I had no idea how to do this. I've been wanting to do the neon skeleton for about 2 years now. Today's theme is pink skeleton Barbie. This is going to be the start off, the kick off of Skeleton Madness by Kimora. You guys, get ready because, honey, it's about to get real pink. Y'all, listen, now I'm gonna keep it real honest. I probably painted a skeleton like maybe once in my entire life. You know, and you're like, oh my god, October's coming up. When am I gonna be for Halloween? I'm so excited. Today we're gonna do the neon skeleton. My face is literally just prepped and primed, ready to go. Now with the skeleton, I'm gonna go lighter on my foundation because I really want this neon pink to pop out. I'm gonna be using some Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks. I'm gonna be using some shadows. I'm gonna be using some Stila liquid pen. You guys, I'm not super experienced when it comes to Halloween makeup. I'm not experienced when it comes to prosthetics and things like that. I'm just really used to being very drag and beauty. Buckle up, get ready. It is neon Barbie skeleton time. So I just literally picked a random shade of foundation. Like I said, I want to go light, so I probably went about 2 shades lighter than my actual foundation. I hope this shade is like not too light for me. So as you can see here, you guys, this is very light for me, but I really want it to actually like show and really just press this into the skin. As you guys can see here, you guys will probably know that I fucking broke my nail. I do not wish this upon anyone. What is going on? Oh my god. So really just take this into the hairline. You don't have to really go back too far because I am going to be wearing a wig. If you guys don't really want to like cover up your entire body, just kind of have the foundation kind of blend out. So you see how the transition is almost like melting out. You don't really need to make it perfect. You guys, I'm actually really digging this color right now. The color is really almost like that bone milk. Not white, but it's just kind of like lighter. So that's kind of a tip and trick, you guys. When you guys want to have like this nice bone color, kind of go like 3 shades a little lighter. I really want to lighten up my mouth and my eye area. So we're gonna go ahead and just do a foundation just a little lighter, just so it kind of keeps the mouth and the eye area very light. After that, we're gonna set it completely. Like I want this to be like literally on the face. This is the last time you're gonna touch the foundation. So go ahead and pull out your translucent. This is like my favorite go-to. It's 20 bucks. You can get this at a makeup store and it goes on transparent. And these puffs here, you guys, they literally cost like 10 cents and you can get one of those too. I recommend the puffs versus a brush. So now you just really, oh my god, I've never really fucking set my makeup without even like contouring. It's so weird. So just really lightly, just like that. As you can see, I made a complete mess. Now go ahead and take a brush and just really dust everything off. And now go ahead and set your makeup, but set it with something that's super hydrating before you do the actual seal. And just really like give some moisture to the skin. I'm gonna mix it a little bit, just like that. So letting that dry. So now I'm gonna start with my eyes first. I really want to keep my eyes super really like pretty and beautiful because this is a neon skeleton Barbie kind of theme. So we want to make sure our eyes are like gorgeous, but everything else is going to be all like sketched out as a skeleton. I'm going to go ahead and pull out P.LOUISE base. So go ahead and get a little bit of this on the beauty blender and then just really start setting into the eye. This is really going to make the colors pop. Go ahead and start grabbing the P.LOUISE. This color is in Raver. And now let's start doing the eyes. The thing I love about the P.LOUISE is that you can literally treat it like a wet shadow. It literally works just like a shadow, but you can literally go back on it with shadow. Okay, so just blend it out. We don't want no lines. So when you get the P.LOUISE, I like to take a blank brush and just really go back and just really blend out the edges. Having a blank brush like this is really handy because it really just blends out the color. Now it's like blown out. Wow, okay, cut. So now we're gonna go ahead and really give it some dimension. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the Alien Queen palette by Peachy Queen because we are staying in hot pink theme. So I'm gonna be working my ways here and here. So this is just really getting the eye out the way before we start to really scope out the teeth and everything around the eye. Really giving it like that hot pink blend. Let's get some black in here. Just really make sure that black is blended out. Honestly, bitch, Peachy Queen is actually sickening. Oh wow. Okay, so the black is on. You guys can create any eye you guys want. I'm just trying to really keep it beauty, fun, lashes. Now, we're gonna go ahead and cut that crease with the same thing. This is the P.LOUISE. Wow, okay. So once the crease is cut, let that sit for a little bit. Go back in with a very light white powder. And I'm really just gonna pack it in with white, just to really give it like that pop. We're gonna go ahead and take a white pencil and line underneath. I've been very obsessed with the Maybelline Tattoo Studio liner. This is in pencil. I'm sure you guys can get this like at Walmart, at Target. Honestly, it goes on the waterline so sickening. Just gonna give it like that. And let's finish it off with liquid liner on top and just really cut it with the liner. So now we're gonna go ahead and just take that liquid liner and just really deepen that crease. What I usually do when it comes to liquid liners, I like to kind of set it. So taking the black shadow and just really taking it like this, and you just press it. It's almost because like the liner is wet, so you really want it to kind of like set. So you guys go, look at that. Our eye is pretty much good. We're gonna get very detailed in a minute, but right now I just really wanted to get the eye out of the way. If y'all watch my channels, mamas, y'all know I love to add black to everything. Okay, so this is the time you guys have been waiting for. So now it's all about the skeleton. It's very beauty here, and now we're gonna start sketching out the whole thing, the whole shebang. Oh, here it goes. Like I said, I've never done this before. So the mouth, we're gonna spend a lot of time on. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some powder and just really make sure it is all set. So now we're gonna get a paintbrush. Today I'm gonna go ahead and use a brush just like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and just push and then go push up. So we're gonna go ahead and use the color in Yes Ma'am. This is a hot pink liquid velour lipstick. Now my goal today is that I'm gonna create a lot of teeth. I wanna look like very like, oh my god, I'm scary. With as much hot pink as I can. I'm probably gonna take it probably back here. Are y'all ready? I'm not. I'm gonna keep it real, y'all. I'm fucking scared. Taking Jeffree Star, and I like it because you could take it as it is on the actual wand and then paint it on. So we're gonna go ahead and start the top first. Bitch, I'm scared. Okay. Actually, bitch, let me see this shit. I might even just use this shit. Why am I making this shit so fucking hard? Just use the doe foot. Oh, okay, so we continue to keep going. So what I'm doing with the doe foot, you guys, is just really sketching out the teeth. You don't have to worry about making it so perfect right now, because we're gonna go back with shadow, and then we're gonna really give it like that nice glowy effect. That looks scary. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and repeat the bottom, so make sure the teeth on top matches the bottom completely. Okay, so you guys see here, it's kind of separating, so kind of get a little closer. Don't worry about it looking too horrific yet. So now we're gonna take the liquid lipstick, and then we're gonna sculpt the jaw. The skeleton usually has like a nice little like shape form of a jawbone right here. When it comes to the skeleton, you can really make up any kind of shape you guys want. For example, just like this. So taking it, like that, that's the bottom. And then now, so you guys see how it's kind of like that gaping kind of like jawbone. We're gonna do some cool things on the nose. Now, when it comes to the skeleton nose, you guys, it really is like any nose you guys want. I've seen dips, I've seen little teardrops, I've seen triangles, I've seen like tips. I've seen a lot of shit. So I kind of take it and just do like a little scope like this. Oh yeah, huh? There's really is no wrong nose. Ooh, I can't wait to fade all this out. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the eyes. So I'm gonna do like a wraparound kind of thing. It depends on what you want your skeleton to look like. So see like that. And now you guys want to do like a line here. Let's go ahead and do the neck. Fuck. All right, you guys. Does it look kind of skeletal? Now that we see everything is scoped out, you can kind of see where the sketch is. So now what we're gonna do is we are gonna go ahead and shadow in the line. So we're really gonna give it like that glowy, almost blended line. So go ahead and pull out that same brush we used earlier where we blow out shadow, and then go ahead and pull out a palette that has a lot of hot pinks. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start blending out the lines and really giving it like that nice blended look. So for example, we'll go like this. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna diffuse the line just like that. Very easy, guys. So just kind of same thing on this side. And then when it comes to these really sharp edges, just leave that blank because we're gonna go in with a really smaller brush. But right now we just really want to blow out these lines just like that. Same thing here, you guys. Remember, blow it all out. And the reason that you're blowing it out is because it really makes the glow very like bright. I just realized that this is about to bleed all over my face. Oh wow, it's so pretty. Look at that, it's already glowing. And I'm only literally using this color. I'm using Starship. Now diffuse the chest. Bitch, I'm about to run out of this color, honey. This is when you guys can just really freehand and blend. Okay, look at this brush. Oh my god. So now you guys, once that is done, go ahead and pick a smaller brush, and now we're gonna bring the teeth up. We're gonna get all these little edges here. This part here needs it as well. And then obviously here, you guys, we really need to blend it up to give it like that teeth effect. Take it and you just really blend it up. See the difference? Now same thing on the bottom. I'm actually very proud of this right now. Like y'all, I'm actually very proud, because honestly, let me keep this between you and me. I was a little nervous. If y'all didn't see me at the beginning of this video, I was very nervous. I was like, oh my god, I've never even done a skeleton before. And just continue the blend. Wow. So continue to blend here. And then now let's go ahead and do the neck bones. Just like that. Oh, wow. I'm actually very excited. Girl, let's get something in that crease. Oh, don't forget the nose, y'all. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and add some dimension. I think it needs a little bit of black. So as you guys see here, the pink is pretty well blended. Everything is like... So now we're gonna go ahead and jump into the black. We're gonna go ahead and start shading in the edges on the mouth, tip of the nose. I really wanna highlight the nose and the jaw to make it really pop. There is a black in this palette as well. So let's go ahead and start shading in a little bit of black. Just give it some dimension. Oh, I love that. Same thing on this side. Okay, so now get a smaller brush. We're gonna start shading in the edges in the mouth and really start creating this nice dark mouth. Just continue to shade. Okay. Alright guys, so now once the teeth is pretty much done, we're gonna go ahead and do the neck. Remember you guys, when it comes to Halloween, I love to get it on super fast. Honestly with this, like you can wear like long hair, a hot little dress. So now we have the neck pretty much done. When we go in with the white, it's gonna be like, oh shit. So it's really just like the effect. If you guys can see here, it's starting to kind of glow and like in your face. So now I'm just really like, I'm like obsessed with just giving myself like a fucking crease. Alright guys, so now it is time for the whites. Wow. Okay, so if you guys are still with me, woo! We made it through, we passed through, we got it. I'm excited for the white because the white is really gonna make it really pop. Today, you guys, I'm gonna be using the Stila liquid liner. So you guys, we're gonna go ahead and start from the top to the bottom and really make sure it glows. And let's start the glow. Oh, see, that's cool, huh? See how it glows? Wow. Okay, so it's sitting on this side. Oh, wow, this thing is getting caught in though. Alright you guys, so what I'm starting to notice with this is that because it is white, it's starting to kind of grab the color. So just take a makeup wipe and just really squeeze it, shake it, and then test it on your hand. Damn, I don't know if it's gonna work. Just continue to draw it out. Damn, it's not gonna come out. I know it's not coming out. Fuck. I don't have any other fucking pen. Shit, you guys, fucking Stila, man. I don't know if it's Stila or this, but like, I'm not getting any more motherfucking color. What the fuck? Stila, really, bro? Like, this is the new one. Like, I'm not literally getting anything. What the fuck? Stila, what the fuck? You just failed me. I was like on a good fucking roll. Your fucking pen just gave out on me. So, ew! So we're gonna go ahead and use a pot and see how that goes. It's probably gonna be better. That's actually better. I'm gonna go over it again. Now, I noticed with the pot, you guys, you have to kind of like really go over it again and again and again. Alright, you guys, so now we're gonna get closer to the teeth. Could a fucking company just make shit that fucking lasts? How about that? I actually prefer the pot then because you can kind of like control the brightness of it. So you guys, I apologize if I told you guys to go get the Stila pen. So now when I shape the teeth, so the teeth is almost round, so you guys gotta create like this like nice, it's like a round teardrop. Like that. That shit looks fucking good. I'm gonna do a little thing right here. Wow, that looks like teeth. Let's go ahead and finish up the neck. We're almost done, you guys. This is fast. Now, when it comes to the neck, you can go down really far if you want, but I just chose to kind of stick to my shoulder. And then some on the nose. All right, you guys, so everything is lined. Now that you guys see that it's super glowing, so it's like glowy. Now, speaking of glowing, let's go ahead and highlight a little bit. Let's kind of give me some little highlights. I really want it to be iridescent, kind of shimmery, kind of glittery, kind of just like that very like, oh, wow, she's gorgeous, but she's ugly. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out Moonchild from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna go ahead and use some shimmer from Lemonhead in Los Angeles. So go ahead and take a brush. So before we do that, let's go ahead and just set our face with a little bit of more Fix Plus. I'm honestly so fucking mad about that Stila. So let's go ahead and just start to glow out the face. Like that. Really giving it like that nice glow. I never highlighted my chin before. It's weird. Who the fuck wears this highlight everyday thing? I think it's not cute at all. Fucking stunning. So you guys, Moonchild. Before we do the glitter, I'm gonna go ahead and mix some Sugar Pill. This is called Lumi. Lumi is like this iridescent blue. Oh, okay, there you go. Bitch, I forgot to do my jaw. What the fuck? Y'all didn't even tell me. Y'all over here having like fucking do all this extra shit. Okay, so now highlighted, everything is glowy and just like, wow. Now let's go ahead and put this fucking Lemonhead glitter. Shout out to Lemonhead. I love this. It's like this wet, glittery kind of thing, but it is like sensational. See, like that? It just really gives it like this nice glowy effect. Girl, whoa! Thank God, Buddha, Jesus, everybody was with me today. The Easter Bunny, the fucking Leprechaun King. I don't know what the fuck. Santa Claus. Y'all got me together because I was like really scared on like where this even went. I'm gonna do one more thing. Y'all know I cannot stop the day without my Jeffree Star highlighter. Now this is where I'm gonna really highlight the pinpoints of the face and just really like give it like that nice, see that? Glow. Let's go ahead and spray. Oh, this is gonna bleed my face. That does not come off. Oh, girl, I'm nervous to take this off. Y'all wanna see me after when I'm done? So now we're gonna go ahead and put on some lashes. We're gonna go ahead and use Doll Lash by Doll Beauty. Shout out to you guys for sending me a bunch of cool lashes. You know what? I might even change it. I might even wear these on the bottom. kind of thick. Let me see what it looks like. Should I do this, you guys? I'm kind of digging it. Okay, you know what? Let's make these into some bottom lashes. So let's go ahead and put Doll Beauty on the bottom. And then now, what lashes to go on top? We're gonna do big lashes on top. What is this? And she puts it on. Oh, that's pretty actually. Wow, she's stunning. That's the noise you make when you get like the lashes that are like, I don't know if I'm gonna put it on because it looks weird, but when you put it on, it's thick and you go like, I need to get this shit fixed. Like, what is this? Alright, you guys, we have completed the look, so let's go ahead and get a wig on and just give you the full fantasy. Oh my god, you guys, the look is here. It is set. It is ready. I'm the full-blown neon pink Barbie skeleton. First of all, are you guys gagging on the look? Are you guys living for the skeleton? I'm so obsessed. I'm so actually very, very happy that it came out the way it did, because in the beginning, I was like, I don't even know what to do when it comes to like skeleton, because I really do not do Halloween. I'm feeling cut. I'm feeling gorge. I'm feeling very neon pink. Shout out to Radiant Hair Bar for sending me this gorgeous full-blown human wig, completely colored by them. So if you guys need a sickening wig super fast, when I contacted Radiant Hair to work with them to do a wig by them, they were so nice, so fast. I've been wanting a hot pink wig forever. I had so much fun. This is the first look of the skeleton madness, so please hit that subscribe button, because I have more different styles of skeletons coming out soon. So hit that subscribe button. I can't wait to see all the looks you guys turn out. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys in a few days.